Hey there! As an old bike owner, I find myself in the need to work on my bike quite often. That is, if I don't want to spend my whole salary at the mechanic. So I found my left fairing with some huge cracks and decided to get to work and weld them. This is quite a simple process. Anyways, you can check my blog, terrarochaemalcatrão.com, which is written in Portuguese, but you can translate it to your own language. You have a widget embbed. Get some more detailed info there and try this process for yourself. Link in the description below. All I needed was a welding iron and air, a lot of air. That's why you see me at the window. Melting plastic creates some smoke and a really toxic smell. That's why you should always keep your area well ventilated. Or even wear a mask if you have one accessible for you. This time it worked well. I knew in advance this would never look beautiful. Stay tuned and check my blog for some more detailed info. Just translate it to your native language. Widget embbed. I promise you my writing skills are way better than my video making skills. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time.